500 subscribers within a month, which is 30 days, I'm going to delete the account.
If you don't get 500 subscribers in 30 days.
Yes. Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to show you guys, I got another couple things in the mail today. And I want to say thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. It's actually going better than what I thought it would. Should have listened to my husband, but I don't. So anyways, let's get to see what we got. Ooh. Looks like we got some speakers, guys. Let's see. Here's just their kickers. Let's see. These are just all the face plates. I don't know. Here's actually a speaker in here.
How many of those speakers do you have?
It looks like I have 8 of them. There's 8 speakers.
Oh, and you got something cool to go with them.
Yeah, that's the next one.
Yeah, that's the next box
I
you're
don't know
gonna.
how well this is gonna open, but
Speaker should slide right out.
there we go.
It'll slide right out.
In a minute. Jeez.
Got it? Wow. They
They're
didn't want him
not
to get
playing.
hurt. No, they're not.
Ooh.
Ooh, wow.
So here's the speaker. And I believe they're all LED also.
Net cover. Oh, see, you already know what you're doing.
So it goes like that.
And yeah, they're LED. They're RGB. They change colors. Which,
Oh, there we go.
honestly, maybe if I get bored tonight while you're at work, even though I
Yeah.
wish you didn't have to go to work, I might slap those all down on here and bring in all my solder and stuff
And then do it
and
in
do
here.
a video in
That
here
would be
where it's
cool.
warm.
Yeah.
Well, let's see that speaker. We want to.
Well, we looked at the speaker.
No, you just showed them.
Am I showing you
It's
the
a
back
marine.
of it?
It's a marine speaker kicker. What's the specs on it? 'Cause I don't even remember.
4.4
4 ohm,
ohm.
6.5 inch, and if I remember right, those were like 200 watt speakers, but realistically, they're probably like 50 watt RMS or something. So
Whatever that lingo is.
yeah, it's
I
okay.
don't know all that lingo.
So now we got
So we got some speakers. Our speakers are in.
your speakers are in.
Yes.
Now what did you get to go with those speakers?
I got, it's a mount. Look at that.
Now, DS18. Whoo.
Speaker enclosure.
Wow. You know what DS18 is?
No, I don't.
That is the creme de la creme in the stereo world.
Is it?
Yes. Yes, it is. We ain't playing on this. Now, we have 2 of these, right?
Well, I see this. It says, we like it loud.
We like it loud, yes.
That's what it says.
We have 2 of those, and I'm actually contemplating on a 3rd one with 4 more speakers.
Oh my God.
I don't know yet, though.
Let's just wait and see what it becomes
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
before you,
There's enough
draw.
room to upgrade if we wanted. Oh, yes.
Let's get this part open.
See, I'm starting to think you're enjoying doing these videos. Is that true? Not yet. You ain't got the flow of it yet.
No, I don't.
Guys, she said if she doesn't get... What did you tell me earlier?
500 subscribers within a month, which is 30 days, I'm going to delete the account.
If you don't get 500 subscribers in 30 days.
Yes.
That's yeah.
Okay, so. What?
You want the scissors.
Yeah, or I can get this. I can use the knife too.
Well, the scissors probably be a little
They
better.
don't want you to get this stuff out.
Well, it's packaged
But
good.
it is, which is a good thing. I'm glad for that.
You want me to help you?
I got it.
If you need help, just say, honey, help me. Dang it.
I'm going to just stick those in there.
Yep, because I might wire in some speakers tonight on video for these guys. There you go.
I don't know if that's going to do anything.
What?
Pause that. Let me have
Is that your work trying
yeah.
to?
Let me see.
Is that your work telling you can stay home and wire speakers with me?
Nope.
Oh,
It would work, but
dang it.
it's an email. When I get those messages, sometimes it means I don't have to go.
Right. I wish that you didn't. Can you call off?
No.
You feeling sick, aren't you?
I can't.
You know, you are a way different person, because if I would have got all this stuff in the mail before I had to go to work, I would instantly be sick.
I bet. So look how cool this is.
Wow. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you. Because
Look how pretty that is. It's
as everybody knows, I picked this stuff out for you because I know the stereos.
yeah, and I don't.
And so I know what the best of the best is. But what I forgot to tell you is, this is also RGB.
I don't know what that is.
Red, green, blue lights, LED.
Oh, really?
I know how you like your lights.
Yes. That
So-
would be beautiful.
And, well, I can see a problem already. Not a big deal. So, these said that they were 1-inch holes. They're not. Didn't they say that they were 1-inch holes?
Yes, I thought that's what you said.
And they're 4 tweeters.
Yeah.
What did I order to put in those holes?
I forget what you ordered.
Baffles.
Oh, okay. And they're not going to fit
No.
because they're going to be too small.
Right. So that's okay. We'll get back on Amazon and we'll,
Figure out something.
I'll measure that and find out. Yeah, because that's not critical. I can pop those in at any given time.
That is very nice, though. And then what? You'd mount them up like this?
Yeah, it's going to go up on the roof. It's
So,
going to go right
like
above your
this.
head. Yep. It's going to go, hold it like this for you.
So it's going to be like that, okay.
It's going to be like this, but up
yeah. I
on the
gotcha.
roof.
Watch it don't fall out.
Yep. And it comes with all the wiring.
That's cool.
Yee yee, baby.
There's even...
That's RGB. Now,
Okay.
you're probably wondering how I'm going to control the RGB lighting in the speakers and that box.
Yeah.
You know what I'm doing?
Huh.
I bought you 8, which they're here. Got them last night. Bought you 8 rock lights for your machine.
Ooh.
We're only going to install 6,
Mm-hmm.
I think. That leaves me 2 wires left. I bought extensions that I could cut. And it's the same wiring as that and the speakers. I'm going to hook the speakers and those DS18 lights into your rock lights. So when your rock lights change red, green, blue, or flash or bounce with the music, guess what?
Huh.
Everything's going to.
Sweet. That'll be cool.
Yes, so we got some wiring to do on our hands. And I have a 12-volt power supply that I'm going to bring in the house and test it all out.
Sweet. So we can see it.
Yes, so we
That'll
can
be
see.
awesome.
Mm-hmm. What do you think? Give me your honest thoughts, honey, because I know you didn't pick it out.
No, I didn't.
You just kind of told me what you wanted, and then I did it 4 times over.
Yeah, really 4 times over. I don't know. I guess I'm excited to see what it's gonna be.
I think it's going to be cool.
Yeah,
I think so. Think I should do some wiring tonight on camera? Give me something to do?
I would. Get you a video.
Give me a video for these guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. I'm enjoying these videos with you. I hope you know that.
Well, I'm happy.
I know. I know. It's something you really don't
It's
want
just
to do.
different for me. That's all.
It is. It is. But you do such a good job on the camera. Everybody just loves you. They like.
I don't know
I'm
about
not
that.
even kidding. I'm not kidding. And if you get 500 subscribers in the next month, I'm gonna be mad because I couldn't get that in a year.
I don't think I will though, but we'll see.
I'd be shocked. I think you gained almost 100 overnight.
I got to figure out how to look at my numbers. So
Let me show you. We'll do it on video here. So, open your phone there.
Okay.
Go to your YouTube app.
All right. I'm on my page already.
Now, right here in that upper corner,
Yeah.
click that. And
What, your
Go to
channel?
your channel. How many subscribers you got?
Dang, I got 58.
58. So I was close. I thought you got a little more than that. So you're telling these guys 500 in a month or you're gone.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't playing, are
I'm
you?
not playing.
Wow.
Yep.
Them some strict rules there.
Mm-hmm.
I think you can do it though.
I don't know. We'll see.
People love you. They like you more than me. I'm saying. I'm leaving YouTube.
No, you're not. You're baloney.
I like your channel. I think it's cool. I think you're doing good. A good
I'm
thing. It's
trying.
only been a couple videos, but you do videos with me.
I know.
And
That's
you
only
do
because I
great.
like doing them with you. It doesn't
I know.
because
Well, you're doing them with me now. It's
I
just
know.
kind of you're the star of the show
Yeah.
on this one.
Which I don't really care about.
I'm just
but
I'm just a crazy camera guy that's gonna help bring life to
to the
the
video.
videos. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Well, guys, I guess we're done for this one. We'll see you on the next one. And please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.